AutoCAD versus SolidWorks, which is better? Most people compare these two like they're rivals. The reality is more awkward, they can overlap, but they're built for different kinds of precision. That's why someone can swear AutoCAD is faster, while someone else says SolidWorks is non-negotiable. They're both right, depending on one key detail. I'll hold that detail until the end, because once you see it, you'll stop trying to force the wrong tool into the wrong job. Let's make the choice feel obvious. How I'm comparing them. I'm comparing what you're actually producing, how easy it is to revise, and how confidently you can hand work off to someone else. I'm also looking at what breaks first. Some tools break when the geometry gets complex, others break when you need documentation fast. And I'm keeping this grounded in real workflows, drafting, assemblies, dimensions, exports, and how much rework changes create. The goal is less friction, not bragging rights. Where AutoCAD usually wins, AutoCAD is fundamentally about drafting and general purpose CAD. It shines when you need clean two-dimensional drawings, layouts, details, and fast edits. If your deliverable is a drawing set, AutoCAD can feel direct. You draw what you need, you annotate it, and you control exactly what appears on the sheet. It can also handle three-dimensional geometry, but the experience is often more about modeling shapes than engineering parts with rules. The honest trade-off is revision logic. When a design changes, a lot depends on how you organize the work. AutoCAD can be fast, but it won't automatically manage relationships the way parametric systems do. AutoCAD usually wins when you need drawing speed and flexibility, where SolidWorks usually wins. SolidWorks is built for parametric mechanical design. You create parts with features, define dimensions that drive the shape, and build assemblies where components relate to each other. That means changes can be cleaner, update a dimension, and the model can rebuild consistently, including related features, mates, and drawings. SolidWorks also tends to shine when you care about fit, motion, and manufacturing intent, because it encourages you to design like an engineer, not just like a drafter. The honest trade-off is that it can feel slower at the beginning of a project if you just want to sketch something quick. It wants structure, and that structure takes a bit of setup. SolidWorks usually wins when you need engineering-grade revision control. The deciding detail most people miss. Here's the detail that flips the answer. Are you describing a design, or are you defining a part? If you're mainly communicating geometry through drawings, especially in 2 dimensions, AutoCAD often fits better because it's optimized for drafting, output, and flexible documentation. If you're defining parts that will be manufactured, assembled, and revised, SolidWorks often fits better because the model isn't just geometry, it's a set of relationships. Now add one more reality check: collaboration. If your team expects feature-based parts and assemblies, SolidWorks becomes the natural language.
If your environment is still heavily drawing-based, AutoCAD stays efficient.
This is general info, not financial or legal advice. If you're choosing tools for professional deliverables, it's smart to align with project requirements and stakeholder expectations.
So which one is better for you? If you live in plans, layouts, details, and fast drafting, AutoCAD is often the better choice. If you live in parts, assemblies, revisions, and manufacturing intent, SolidWorks is often the better choice. And the loop resolves here. The better tool depends on that hidden detail, describing versus defining. Pick the one that matches your deliverable and everything gets easier. And don't forget to check the description for helpful resources that will make things easier. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more.